Hi guys. Hope you were able to get the graphing done okay. Here we go. We're going to start on the next section. We've got quick 6 problems to go over before we stop again. And all we're doing is rewriting this. It says rewrite. Both sections says rewrite. If it's in a log form, I want to rewrite it as an exponential. And if it's an exponential, I want to rewrite it as a log. So what was that rule again? I want to know what my law was again. I'm going to write it down here. It says if I have log base x of b equals y, then I'm going to rewrite that as x to the y equals b. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to go from one to the other. If it's written as a log, I'm going to write it as an exponent. If it's written as an exponent, I'm going to write it as a log. That's all there is to it. So my first section says rewrite each as an equivalent exponential equation because it's got a log in it. It's got a log in it. I got to show you. It's got a log in it. So my answer cannot have a log in it. So I want to rewrite it as an exponent. So I'm going to take my base, which is 3, to the y power equals 5. And that's all there is to it. 3 to the y power equals 5. Okay? So we're going to do it again. A to the -2 equals 7. Done. And this one's all letters, so this says b to the a power equals d. And that's all there is to it. That is it. Just rewriting it. I'm not doing anything else, okay? Again, it just says rewrite. That's it. Rewrite, okay? So the second set says rewrite from exponential to logarithm. So it's in exponential. I want to write it as a log. So notice no log in it. There's no log in these answers. I want to make sure to put in the log. So where's my base at? And this is where I think most people have problems with this one, is where's the log at? Well, where's the base at? Well, my base is the number with the exponent. So there's the base here, here's the base here, and here's my base here. So that means when I write it as a logarithm, that's got to be my base. So I'm going to say log base 2. And this is a little teeny 2. It's a subscript. Do not put it on the same thing. Do not write log of 2. It's not the same thing. Make sure it's not written that way because that would be incorrect. This is wrong. Okay. So log base 2 of this of 8 equals x. Okay, so we're going to try it again for the next one. Log base y of 4 equals -1. Okay, see how that y is this little teeny y down underneath the g? That's how it needs to be. And here we go on the last one. Log base a of c equals b. And then we're done. And that's all you're going to do. That's it. Okay. I know that you're going to have problems with this. Everyone does. If you have questions, make sure you ask in the discussion section. I will see you in a few minutes when you get done and we'll finish this section out.